G'day guys, welcome back to another episode of Cassar Industries. Hope you're all doing well and you're all safe and happy. As you can see, Captain Obvious, we are on the road heading to Melbourne for the Calder Park Worx Sideways Festival, and it's an event hosted by Tuned, I believe. It is an event that is on Saturday the 23rd of September. It is currently the afternoon of the 22nd. We're heading down the day before. We do live 4.5 hours away, and we have to be at track at 8:30 in the morning, tomorrow morning. So, bit of a mad rush this morning getting the car ready. Please see the previous video if you haven't already. Got Jason following behind us in the little Daihatsu. So yeah, we will touch base and check back in with you guys once we are at the track tomorrow morning. Morning guys, we've made it here bright and early. It's about 20 past 8 in the morning. I have woken up as sick as a dog as well, which is not great. It's the weird sound of my voice. I just hope I can get a bit better as the day goes on. We're just going to unstrap the car, get off the trailer, go through scrutineering, get ourselves checked out, and then we'll head into the pit area and get ourselves all set up. Pretty much all set up guys. Got the Calais all checked over, just done some basic checks. We've put some wheels on the back of it. Got Mrs. Cassar Industries just chilling in the chair. We've got Jason and his beard, aka Mohammed. He's just at the back moving some stuff around. We have the Daihatsu acting as a toolbox. We have Ryan setting up his R31 behind us. Special shout out to Fran Coste. Happy birthday to you for the 23rd of September. Hope you have a great day, and Mike spoils you rotten. Now that that's out of the way, we're just going to continue getting some stuff checked over here guys. Kill a bit of time, have a bit of a walk around, and we'll see you shortly. Quick update guys, we've done about 5 laps. Calais is going really well. I'm actually able to do most of the track in 3rd gear now, with the exception of the S's down the bottom there. Besides from that, the rest of the track I'm doing in 3rd. We've just rotated the tyres left to right. Being a predominantly right-handed track, it's wearing the left tyre faster. So I'll just try and get a couple more laps out of these tyres, and then we'll come back in and swap over. Bit of a tyre change. Ended up throwing a belt and it's wrapped itself around all the places I don't want it to go. So yeah, these tyres are officially well and truly done. Well, sure. So yeah, we'll throw these ones on. Got my mate Timmy here helping out as well. So we're gonna go down to a 195.55 and see if I can hold 3rd gear just that little bit better with that tiny, little bit more shorter sidewall. Let's give it a go. Another update, guys. Car is running mint. I'm so happy with it. Getting some fresh rubber on there again. We've just gone through another pair. So yeah, we'll do that. Wow. We'll throw a bit of fuel in it and we'll keep going. Here you go. Now, got a rear brake light failure up on the dash.
It's not that bad. I don't know why it's not.
Oh yeah, it's not that bad.
Got it.
Another update for you guys. I've probably got a few laps left in these tyres. I did clip a bollard about an hour ago. It's just done a little scuff on the door, which is not that much. I did tap the wall though, came in a bit too hot. Luckily it's just the bar and the tail light. It's done nothing else besides from that. Probably got a couple more laps on these tyres and I'm down to my last set of tyres, and I've also only got less than a quarter of a tank of fuel, and I've already used the fuel I brought with me. So we probably don't have too much more time out on track. But yeah, we're just going to keep going. Car's running great. Ryan is a guy that I've become mates with, got to know him through YouTube actually. He's one of my subscribers in his NA R31. Gonna go for a bit of a lap with him, see what's what.
That's disappointing.
Yeah. Drive the Calais hard.
You gotta throw it a bit.
Does it even have suspension in it?
It's got fucking that speed for a wheel actually.
It's just got a bit of exhaust pipe for shocks.
Yeah, a little bit.
Seriously, the skyline. we're going to call it there, guys. Everyone's packing up. It's getting close to the end of the day. We could put another pair of wheels on and go for the last half an hour, but we're not going to bother because we've got no fuel left either. But we've had an absolute blast. I cannot believe that this thing is still holding together after everything we put it through, and it's still holding its own. Much more confident behind the wheel of it now. I'm able to throw it a lot more, drift at higher speed. I'm doing most of the track in third gear now. I'm having the absolute time of my life. Rightio, guys, just a real quick recap of how we went. We're back home. We just got back about half an hour ago, got all the tyres and all that stuff unloaded, got all the tools out, we've put everything away. I absolutely flop and love this car. This is something that we pulled out of a field with busted suspension that we ended up fixing to be a burnout car, which before we could take it to an event, the motor seized. We ended up putting another secondhand motor from a VT in it, to then turn it into a drift car. It's a Calais. It's the heaviest Commodore Holden made with the lowest power motor, and we're out there drifting corners in third gear with it. Like, it sort of blows my mind what we're able to do with this car, and it makes me so happy. I'm very much well aware that this car is still extremely underpowered and we are not keeping up to 90% of the track. But as far as the fun factor goes, for what this car owes us, you cannot beat it. I'm just so in love with it. As far as the things we did to the car between the last event and this one, the biggest improvement has been the cooling system. It is completely dialed. Whether the car was idling or you were bouncing it off the limiter all day, the temp stayed just above a quarter. So that's perfect. Everything else we sort of did to the car is sorted. Changing that ECU has stopped the engine light or the engine warning buzzer going off all the time. However, now because we hit the wall, the buzzer does keep going off every time we put our foot on the brake, or every time you turn the car on and off and then brake, because it's telling me that the brake light's not working. I did just quickly change the brake light and indicator globe in this tail light because both of them don't work and they still don't work. So I'll have to check that out at a later stage. A little bit more of the lens flew off on the drive home. I don't care. I kind of sort of like having a little bit of a corner wall tap damage. I was going to put a tail light in and buff that, but I don't think I'm going to bother. But you do need to have working brake lights and indicators for scrutineering. But yeah, I'm just so happy with the car, and I hope that you guys have enjoyed this video. I really hope you like the content that we make. If you want to see more, please remember to like and subscribe. Can't wait to have this thing back out on track again. And yeah, we'll see you guys very shortly in the next video. Till then, take care of yourselves and each other. Be good. And yeah, we'll see you soon.